Okay, on the bench today we have a small USB speaker. It's one of the Silvercrest ones, so that'll be what, little. It's not powering on and doesn't appear to be taking a charge. It could just be the battery that's at fault. Let's plug it in just to confirm. Okay, it's plugged in. We've got no lights coming up. And no reaction to the button presses. Let's have a little look inside the port. I'll just switch over to the microscope and get a better look. Not really seen any issue in that. All the pins look intact, and it was a nice snug fit when I plugged it in there. I don't think that's a problem. Right, so I think we need to get this thing apart, and we'll check the battery that's in there. Excuse me. Right. Not seen any screws, so they're probably sitting under these foam pads. So let's pop these off. Yeah, there we go. Two screw holes there, and I'd assume the same here. Yep. Right, let's get these screws out. Again. Okay, so we've got an 18650. Pop this connector off. Bit of glue on there, might have to break to get this out. That should come out. There we go. And this one, put glue on it, but they didn't actually glue between the two parts. That was handy. Right, okay, that's this in. And first thing, let's check the voltage on this battery. I have a feeling I know it's going to be next to nothing. So we got 8 millivolts. Yeah, battery's completely dead. I think I might connect I might connect the bench power supply to this, just to confirm that the battery is the only fault. Right. Okay, I'll go and make up a connector so I can connect the supply here. Right, okay, I've made up a little connector. Should be able to get that on those pins. And bench supply set to 3.7. Let's see if it does anything. Yep, we have a flashing light here. Let's see if I can pick it up. We're searching for Bluetooth. Yeah. Come on. And that's it there. Let's compare. Speaker's not plugged in. So let's see if we can put this in just for the test. We've got playing the last video there. Turn the volume up. And the screen's all cracked and there's some damage. So there we go. It's pairing up fine. So it's just the battery that we're going to have to replace and obviously check that the replacement's charging fine. So I'll go and get a battery and we'll give that a try. Right, I gave the battery a little boost from a separate supply just to sort of kick start it. I'm assuming it's probably been sitting for some time, and it's currently plugged into the charger just now and it's drawing 420 milliamps. You can actually see that the device is out of shot. It's got a very short lead, so but you can see the battery is at 3.7 and rising. So I think what I'll do is I'm going to let this charge up and come back once charging's complete. May have to cycle the battery a few times. It may also have shortened its overall lifespan, but I think it will be perfectly safe to use. So I'll come back once it's charged. Right, okay, now charged the battery up and then I've left it sitting overnight. So let's have a quick check and see what the battery voltage is sitting at. Better if I bring the meter into shot. So we got, yeah, it's the battery voltage has dropped ever so slightly overnight, so I would say that battery's probably going to be fine. Can't see there being any issue with that. Plug the charger back in, and it's firing up fine. Charging it, what's that, 240 milliamps. So yeah, I don't see any issue there. And we've already tested it. And obviously it's coming on, it's connecting the Bluetooth and it's playing just fine. So we'll get this back together. Right, that's it, piece back together. So we'll give it another try here. Switch it on and turn on Bluetooth. I believe it was that one. Yep. Right. And find something to play. Right, on the back. And there we go. So yeah, I think that's that one back up and running. It was all pretty straightforward. Basically, the battery had over discharged, so the charging circuit inside wasn't charging. It's a safety feature for over discharged batteries. All I did was I hooked the battery up to my bench supply. It was like 3.7 volts, but I was only at 40 milliamps. Just to trickle a bit into it. Barely 30 seconds worth went in, and then once I hooked it back up to here, then that started charging it nice and slow, and then fully. So that battery's revived. If the battery had discharged overnight to below even 3 volts, then I would say yeah, the battery needs replacing. But that's not the case, so I'm happy to say that that's fixed, back up and running. So if you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to see more like it, then please subscribe, it's much appreciated, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.